Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add audio recording to your Notes on the Notes Writer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the one of your notes that you have created, and then click on the plus icon at the top of the screen in the right side, and then click on record. So down below you can see that you can start recording by tapping on the first icon in the left side corner, but first you need to allow the app to have access to your microphone, so click on OK. And now you can start your audio recording. As you can see down below, it has started. So if you want to pause it, tap on the this blue icon, and if you want to play it, tap on the play button. So if you would like to insert it, just tap on it, and then it will be inserted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.